Hey, this is Jason with Year Round Garden with part 3 of your series on container gardening. Today's topic is deciding which grow media to use. Grow media is anything that will hold a plant's root structure in place and provide support for your plant so it can grow. Some media are completely inert, meaning they have no nutritional value. With these, you will need to add basic nutrients and any amendments that your plant requires to grow. While this means more work on the part of the gardener, it does give you complete control over a plant's inputs. Other media comes pre-mixed, containing essential nutrients and minerals. While this reduces the need for additives, not all pre-mixed media is created equal. Here's a breakdown of a few popular media choices, beginning with inert media. Coco coir is media from the outer husk of a coconut shell. It's a lightweight medium that has good water retention without becoming too soggy. It's much harder to overwater compared to soil and has great air capacity, which helps with root growth and nutrient uptake. Clay pebbles are great for hydroponic systems. They are pH neutral and do not contain any nutrient value. This is also a reusable option thanks to the ability to clean and sterilize them. Vermiculite and perlite. These mediums are similar in that they are made from porous rock material, which gives them excellent water retention qualities. Vermiculite is a mined mineral, whereas perlite is a lightweight volcanic rock. They can be used on their own or can be mixed in soil or cocoa to give them better water retention and air capacity to those mixes. Because these are mineral based, they contain trace nutrients. Unlike some of the other inert medias, we consider these inert because they do not supply sufficient nutrients to fully grow a plant. When you get into pre-mixed options such as soil mixes and living soil, these often contain other ingredients such as sphagnum peat moss, organic matters, worm castings, bone meal, beneficial microbes, lime, and guano byproducts, to name a few. These mixes allow for minimal need to introduce additives and supplements to the media. Some of these mixes have been developed to last the life cycle of the plant, while others will have a higher need for supplements down the road. Other soil mixes such as ProMix have very little nutrition, if any, which allows for full control over when and what you feed your plant, but do require significant need for nutrient additives. There's no right or wrong media to use in your container garden as long as you have an understanding of how to properly use that media in conjunction with your plant's particular need for nutrition. This is Jason with Year Round Garden. Stay tuned for part 4 of our Grow series on container gardening.